Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm finally back, and as y'all can tell by the title, I'm going to be recreating this Pinterest look. So let's just cut the chit chat and get right into it. And excuse the roughness right now, but we finna change that like now. So yeah. Oh, this ponytail, my hair. Oh yeah, this is an old silk press, so it's fine with me doing hairstyle. So first, I'm gonna brush my hair out. Hold on, y'all, I'll be back. Okay, y'all, I have my side part. So right now, I'm gonna pull this off to the side and create my two ponytails. Okay, y'all, so I had to go ahead and make my ponytails or whatever, but I'm gonna do my swoop. Okay, so, and I had to leave some pieces out of the ponytail to help the swoop better swoop. I gotta find a bobby pin. So I'm going to take this wand curler to curl my ends a little bit. We're gonna let that heat up for a little bit. And I'm only doing like tiny curls. I'm not gonna put my hair through that much heat. So we just wait. Well, I can find me a bobby pin first. Find me a bobby pin. Find me a bobby pin. Well, I can't find a bobby pin, so I'm just gonna take this piece from the back of my hair and connect it with the rest of the bag. Let's hope it stays. What dang? After 50,000 tries, I got it. It's not perfect, but it's gonna work right now. Okay, so I don't like this. I don't like that. I'm just gonna leave it unwrapped because it's not giving. This actually really ugly. So I'm gonna, and y'all, it's a mirror right here. Hope y'all don't think I'm just staring into space. But I do that too, but not well. Yeah, I do. Okay, and this ponytail thicker than this one. Okay, y'all, so I'm using a curling iron instead of a flat iron because I think the curling iron will give it the curl that I need better than the flat iron. And that's simply because I just can't find my flat iron. If I'm being honest, I just can't find it. But yeah, I think this curling iron is better anyway. And I'm not gonna achieve the same exact curl as hers, so like, yeah. Yeah. This is giving Aaliyah from that one video. I think I know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna put the picture up and show y'all. But we're almost finished with the look. It's giving. Whatever. And I'm doing this for y'all, because like on a regular day, I think I wouldn't have attempted to try this at all. Like, yeah. So I'm finna do my edges and see if I can get a better bump than what it is now. So yeah, I'll be back, y'all. Now for my favorite part, edges. And I'm using Even's 24-hour edge tamer for my edges. So this is the finished look, guys. Comment down below how y'all think I did, what y'all think about it. I tried my best, y'all. It's not all the best. It's not perfect, but I think I did good for my first try. And yeah, so that's the end of this video. Look at it unraveling. It don't even matter. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this, me recreating looks, hairstyles, or whatever. But see you guys in the next video. Bye.